Crate Pros is your trusted Mil-Spec crating supplier. Whether serving as a prime contractor direct to the U.S. government or as a reliable crating and packaging subcontractor, we can support your most technical packaging requirements while providing high quality, high volume output in support of your just-in-time manufacturing needs. With an established quality program plan compliant with AS 9100 standards, our highly capable team can support all facets of your crating program, from production line validation to first article inspection to performance-oriented packaging and UN certification testing if required. If you are looking for a world-class Mil-Spec packaging and crating partner, we would be honored to earn your business.